Hey guys, it's Victor here for KLGadgetTV. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S20 series was launched just a few hours ago in San Francisco. It is here in Malaysia. We are at their branch in Gardens Mall to check out the phones itself. This is a hands-on of the S20 series. Let's go. Now, there are three models this time around for the S20 lineup: the regular S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. The S20 measures at 6.2 inches, the S20 Plus measures at 6.7 inches, and the S20 Ultra measures at 6.9 inches. Now, what's different from the S10 is that the display on the S20 series supports 120Hz refresh rate, which is absolutely massive, but each display here supports up to 1440p resolution only if you're on 60Hz. If you want to use 120Hz, you have to bump it down to 1080p. As you can see, it's slightly curved at the sides, and it's very reminiscent of the S10. The only difference is that the punch hole camera is in the middle and not so much on the sides anymore. But it's very minimalistic look. If you turn to the side, you can see actually very thin aluminum bumpers. Now, moving to the back, it feels a bit plasticky and it's a fingerprint magnet, but it is a bit iridescent. Now, this feels good in the hands. It feels very light despite being such a large phone. And this will definitely fit well in the pocket because of how thin it is. Now, this is the S20 Plus. The S20 Ultra is absolutely massive, and that will be a little harder to fit in your pocket. But if you like the extra screen real estate, maybe that's the one you should go for. Now, for cameras, the S20 and S20 Plus feature a 64 megapixel telephoto lens with a 12 megapixel main lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. So three lenses there. The only difference is that the Galaxy S20 Plus has an extra depth vision camera. Now, the S20 Ultra, however, has an 108 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. So the bottom two range can zoom up to 30 times, but the S20 Ultra takes it up a notch and can zoom up to 100 times thanks to the telephoto lens. One new feature for the cameras on the S20 lineup is the single take feature, which sort of takes a short clip of your scene and like so. And from this scene, it takes several clips, several stills from that clip, and you can choose later on in the gallery which one you want to keep and which one you don't want. So this uses every single lens at the back to take different types of shot, different angles, different compositions, so you can pick at the end which one you like best. Now, every model of the S20 series can shoot at 8K resolution in terms of videography, and you can take up to 33 megapixel stills from each frame to make it your thumbnail or to extract and send it to a friend. The S20 and S20 Plus has a 10 megapixel selfie lens, but the difference between this and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is that the top of the line model actually has a 40 megapixel selfie lens. Now, I don't know if I want to see myself in 40 megapixels, but it's there if you like it. So yeah. Now, as I mentioned, the S20 Ultra can shoot at 108 megapixels, but there is some shutter lag, but it's not as bad as certain other models that have 108 megapixels. Now, we reported that the S20 series will all come with 5G, but that's not the case in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the regular S20, S20 Plus will come with just regular 4G LTE with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The S20 Ultra, however, will be 5G and will come with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So that's one thing to keep in mind. The S20 has a 4000 mAh battery, the S20 Plus has a 4500 mAh battery, and the S20 Ultra has a whopping 5000 mAh battery. The bottom two range supports up to 25 watts of fast charging, while the top of the line range has support for 40 watts fast charging. Now, the S20 series is available for pre-order now until the 26th of February. The S20 is priced from 3599. The S20 Plus is priced at 3999 and the S20 Ultra is priced at 4999. That's it for the Samsung Galaxy S20 hands-on video. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.